Oh yeah, that's a nice fish. That's a good first fish of the day right there. Oh yeah. That's a good first fish of the day right there. That's nice. Alright. Can't be big. It wasn't. Oh, that was a nice fish. I got that right over there on, it's like a foot deep. That was a good fish. Bigger than I thought he was? He's a good fish. You are sharp bottom lip, buddy. Alright. That's a good fish. Alright, it's 9:45, so I got out here extra late today. It's pretty windy. It's about 13-mile-an-hour winds. We're covered by houses right now, but we're going to be out in the wind in a few. Right now I have a topwater spook bone color on. I have a couple of Senko. I have one peanut butter and jelly that I'm going to be trailing behind me. I have one green pumpkin watermelon. So let's go ahead and start fishing. We may change up. It's according, we'll just have to see what's going on today. Oh gosh. That's a big fish. Hopefully I set the hook good. Yep, that's a big fish. Oh yeah, that's a nice fish. That's a good first fish of the day right there. Oh yeah. Come on. Oh, I got one behind me, I think. We're going to finish up with this one. That's a good first fish of the day right there. I don't care who you are. That's nice. Alright. Let's put her back. Get back out there and get that same hit. It's a small fish, but it is a fish. Boy, he hit hard too. Not a bad fish. Peanut butter jelly time. Catch and release, baby. He was He wanted this thing. He wanted it. All right, I don't know what we got here. Yeah, good little bass. Good little bass. I wasn't sure what the size was. All right. Not a bad little fish. It's a good fish. Go ahead. Right. Come here, baby. Lost my camera in the front. It's a good little fish, a little fatty. Kind of telling me they're out deeper on the bottoms. Huh? I said that, but this one, yeah, that's a good pull. It's not a huge fish, but there's a good pull on it. I wanted to sling my bait off. I don't have a battery in that camera. He hit like a little fish too. I knew it was a little fish. Oh, that thing hit hard. Oh! Oh! That was a nice fish. Oh, oh, oh. That was a nice fish. Alright, I brought him out of the weeds. Somebody was hungry. That is all the way to your butt. Oh, you're already bleeding, aren't you, buddy? Alright, let's get rid of this. Alright, let's see what we can do to save you. You don't look good, buddy. Alright, that's about as good as I could have done. I'm 50-50 on whether he's going to make it. Alright. I don't even know what's going on here. There you go. You're gonna have to stop, buddy. He just bit it while I was changing my battery. It's not a bad little fish, though. Can't be big. It wasn't. Oh, that was a nice fish. I got that right over there on. This is like a foot deep. That was a good fish. Is he bigger than I thought he was? He's a good fish. Good fish if I can ever get him out. Yeah, it's a nice fish. Oh God, his bottom lip is sharp. You are sharp bottom lip, buddy. All right. That's a good fish. It's got scratches all over. Very nice fish. Oh, I didn't get bigger. Yeah, I like it. Alright. Wasn't the most productive day of fishing, but it was still a day of fishing, and it's better than a good day at work. That's what they say. Alright. We're out.